D3D GaugingWeb. Guided quality control for manual measuring equipment. Production-oriented and simple, directly in the browser. This means that your employees can work without in-depth PolyWorks knowledge check and measure components. An employee from production or measurement technology opens the browser and clicks on the preview of the component. He enters the serial number and then clicks on Check Component. Now he enters his personnel number. The D3D GaugingWeb interface opens. An inspection process was created in advance. From now on, the employee is guided through the individual measurement steps. He checks the characteristics of the part using a handheld measuring device. The individual measured values are now either entered manually or transmitted via Bluetooth. Initially, all measurements are within the specified tolerance. At the end, the employee identified a deviation, which is outside the specified tolerance. Using a scale, he can immediately recognize how large the deviation is. This is still within a tolerance limit and the function of the part is not restricted as a result. The employee therefore clicks on Confirm Deviation, and the measurement is enabled. He then uploads the data to PolyWorks Dataloop. His supervisor in quality assurance can now check the reporting in the browser. To do this, he first logs into our data management system PolyWorks Dataloop. He now has the option of filtering certain properties, view the measured component in 3D and see the results of the measurements at a glance. He can share and analyze these results with colleagues and therefore quickly and simply make better decisions. The use of D3D GaugingWeb guarantees that the quality of the parts meets the requirements and the measuring process is followed.